Hello, this is Jamie from Coastal Premier Stain. We are on the beautiful Oakmulgee River in Hazelhurst, Georgia at Burkett's Ferry Landing. We just completed staining this river cabin. I was going to let everybody look at it. It's one of the things we do is we custom stain homes and cabins. We stain the support beams, the rails, the rail casings. We use Wood Defender's Cedar Tone. It's a transparent color. For all the folks that like to see the wood grain, it's going to walk you around and let you see it. We can't walk up on the deck because the deck's still curing, but it turned out absolutely beautiful. If you have a cabin, a cypress house, southern pine, cedar that needs some attention, give us a call. We'll come out and give you a free estimate. We do not recommend a pressure washer. We also clean for our budget friendly clients. Give us a call at 912-271-8589. You can see us on Facebook at Coastal Premier Stain LLC or our website www.coastalpremierstain LLC. Have a nice day.